This is a pair of 350 amp Anderson style battery connectors for 00 or 2/0 cables. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, the 2-pack would cost you about $25. So the connectors here have an A with a circle in them, and it says 2/0 on them. These are tinned copper connectors, and basically you will need a hydraulic crimper to crimp your 2/0 cable inside. Now the interior diameter of these guys looks to be just about exactly 1/2 inch or 12.6 millimeters. And that's pretty consistent here, 12.6, 12.8 millimeters. So the connectors here, the plastic bodies have these little metal springs. So once you put the cable crimped in here, you slide it forward and snap it in, and it will catch behind those springs. So they look and feel very much like all of the other Anderson style connectors on the market. It looks like they should make a pretty good connection here.